caught a bus here. The squirrel stole my wallet. A fox that looked like a squirrel stole my wallet. And now I don't have any money.
History explosion.
The barrel was filled with spiders and fire.
Danger.
Magic space custard. Magic space custard.
Mysticism.
Magic space custard. A wave of magic space custard over 35 feet high. My cards are shit.
Fact. All wrapped up and brought to you by a qualified history historian. Qualified.
Boris Johnson's
Exploding all over your telly and your face.
Great grandfather. Letterbox Johnson. That's his name. He's a bastard. John Nettles is a bit handsy. I tell you, if he asks you if you want a sex on the beach, he's not combining a Rob Roy and a screwdriver. It means he wants to have sex with you on a beach. Closest beach to here, Weston-super-Mare. Sink in the mud flats before he got his lad out. Are we on? Good day, and welcome to
History explosion. Tonight, on the telly.